सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 9, verse number 30. अपि चेत् सुदुराचारः भजते मामनन्यभाक् साधुरेव समन्तव्यः सम्यग् व्यवसितो हि सः। From 30th shloka onwards, up to 34, Lord Krishna glorifying the bhakti devotion is that by which a person relate himself or herself with Lord. From the beginning onwards, means from the birth onwards, person is primarily related to Bhagavan. Our primary relation is with Bhagavan only. Later alone, mother relation, brother, sister, all other relations come into existence. So one has to understand, I am related to whom? First, Bhagavan. We should not forget this, and throughout life we have to remember. Except this, we remember all relations, all secondary relations. By which relation we have got all these relations? That primary relation we forget. And we always with full of our own relations which are all temporary. The primary relations and secondary relations, what is the difference? All these relations are temporary, time-bound. Mother, father, brother, husband, sister, wife, all these relations are temporary, time-bound. Whereas the relation with Bhagavan is, it's beyond the time. So you can talk about the relation when it has started with any secondary relation. When it has started relation, so and so time onwards, date onwards it has started. Tell me the time when your relation has started with Bhagavan. So this is what we have to understand now. I am related to Bhagavan alone. First, all these are temporary, time-bound. They are not primary. So Bhagavan tells here, Sakama Bhakti to Nishkama Bhakti, one has to come. Sakama means always asking the Lord only for material benefits, for my family, for my sake. Only I ask all the time for all my secondary relations' sake. I ask Bhagavan. Then Bhagavan gives the sufficient time. Okay, you have secondary relations. One day or other you will come to me to recognize the primary relation. Why I have to recognize the primary relation? You have to recognize the primary relations because that alone gives security, peace, happiness. PHS you get then alone. It doesn't mean that you have to forget all your secondary relations. Shastra never asks you to forget your secondary relations, family members. But never enamored by these relations at the cost of primary relation. Using the primary relation for the sake of secondary relations. Okay for some time. But throughout your life, you forget the primary relation? It is ரொம்ப அநியாயம் இது பகவான் சொல்றார். So, Bhagavan says, I am equal to all people. Everyone is equal to me. I am available to all of them. But they are not able to recognize me. That's why they are suffering. All their problems, sorrows are because of not knowing my higher nature, real nature. If they recognize that Swarupam, I the Bhagavan is with them alone all the time, they can be free from sorrow forever. Even though I am available, they are not recognizing me. Mayi te teshu mayi. Te mayi teshu aham. I am in them, they are in me. I know that. Who knows? Bhagavan knows. I am in them, they are in me. But these so-called bhaktas, thinking that they are bhaktas, they do not know this fact. That's why they look outside. They always look outside for Bhagavan, even though he is available in and through all the time. They do not know this. Once Bhagavan has provided what? Hunger. He has given hunger, no? Hunger is there. Bhagavan provided the food. Thirst is there. Bhagavan provided the water. So Bhagavan, whatever you require, Bhagavan has provided. Similarly, whatever you ask, if you want to become a Mukta Purushaha or Jivan Muktaha, Bhagavan provide the Guru also. Whatever you desire, whatever you feel, I want this, and Bhagavan, he must have kept it, that's all. Illan and the desire varadu namakku. So Bhagavan arranged. Similarly, Bhagavan is available. If you want Bhagavan, he is available. Namakku adu venda Swamini, Bhagavan venda. That's why all the time, avahayami, yadhasthanam, pratishthamayami, poituvan. That means what? We are not remembering all the time. Once I forget the presence of Bhagavan, there is a possibility of sudurachara. Durachara. Suduracharaha api mam ananya bhak bhajate. Because of losing sight of my presence in them, they take to all evil actions, durachara, papa karma. Because they are not remembering me, my presence. Therefore they take all wrong actions. And they trouble others and they also get into trouble. Not one day or 2 days. From Janmas they are doing that. But still, if they are able to recognize me, bhajate, if they worship me, ananya bhak, without any second thought, even I am ready to protect that person who is a great sinner. Bhagavan is giving a guarantee card to such a criminal also. Ananya bhak means without seeking anything other than me. Saha, Lord Krishna says, sadhu eva, who worship me without any second thought, I consider him as a saint. Not only I bless him, I will call him as a sadhu. A criminal is going to be a sadhu. Bhagavan blessing irundha ellame nadakkum. It is possible because he is the best purifier. Pavitranam pavitramyo mangalanam cha mangalam. Inge adi theriyum. Pavitranam cha pavitramana. Among the so many purifiers, who is the best purifier? Bhagavan. Adhikku mele purifier kadiyadu. So therefore, I am the purifier. He will become a sadhu. How is it possible? It is possible. That's why Bhagavan excuse every criminal. But the High Court to Supreme Court will not excuse. No? They hang the person. Bhagavan excuse. Even Bhagavan also, he goes to the last. Shishupala, how many chances Bhagavan has given? 100th time only Bhagavan. I'll give lot of time and Bhagavan. So Bhagavan gives, because that evil nature has to be eliminated from the society for the sake of paritranaya sadhuna. Not that Bhagavan do not have that compassion for the sake of society, to protect that noble people, sadhu people. Bhagavan has to eliminate this duracharaha. If they don't recognize their mistake, Bhagavan has to eliminate. If he recognizes, Bhagavan, I am very sorry. If he says mentally, enough, one time enough, not 2 times, not necessary. ஒரு வாட்டி சொன்னாலும் மனசுல நினைச்சாலே போதும், பகவான் ப்ளீஸ் ஃபர்கிவ் மீ, ஐ ஹாவ் டன் லாட் ஆஃப் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ், ப்ளீஸ் ஃபர்கிவ் மீ சொன்னாலும் போதும், அப்படியே கை பிடிச்சிடுவார் அவர். வாப்பா, ஹீல் ப்ரொவைட் எவ்ரிதிங். நெக்ஸ்ட் மூமெண்ட்டே. ஸோ தயா சிந்து பகவான். ஸோ அது ரெக்கக்னிஷன் வரணுமே. நான் தப்பு பண்ணிட்டான்னு చెప్పి ரெக்கக்னைஸ் பண்ணணும் இல்லையா? Ravana was one who never recognized his mistake. Duryodhana could never recognize his mistake. Hiranyakashipu, Shishupala, nobody. So therefore Bhagavan Vinashaya cha dushkritam Panditar. Adida. So therefore Arjuna Suduracharahapi, I will consider him as sadhu. Why? Saha samyak vyavasitaha. That recognition itself is a purifier. So every person, there is a possibility of committing mistake. So I should recognize even a small mistake or a big mistake, whatever may be the mistake, is a mistake. Error is an error. This error should not be repeated. This mistake should not be repeated. Bhagavan, excuse me if I feel inside, now I want a righteous way of life. I want a correct direction, right direction. If I want, adida samyak vyavasitaha. You are my goal now. Whatever I have done, this past is over. Now I want a new life. Please give me a new life. That is called Samyak Vyavasitaha. You are my goal now. I have no second goal. Until today, because of my pride, my ahankara, makuru dhana jana yavana garvam, because of this garva, I have done lot of mistakes. Today I have understood I am nothing. But unfortunately, people recognize this now at the end of life. Enna kaalu kai aadaamanu irkumbodhu ella failures aanadukku appuram appa namma kaiyila onnu illappa bhagavan nu solluva. This is not the intelligent way of maturity, you know. Konja at least konja earlier varana and the maturity. Immature people. Sigrama varana and correction should be done as much as possible early as possible. That person is called Samyak Vyavasitaha. Up to here we saw in the last class, he has resolved rightly in a right direction. So what will happen to such a person? He has recognized his mistake and he is ready to change himself. His course of life routine he is going to change now. What is the future? His future now. He says in the 31st shloka, we will read. Kshipram bhavati dharmatma shashvachanti nigacchati kaunteyah pratijanihi na me bhaktah pranashyati. So the real bhakta emerges out from that criminal. A person who has committed some mistake, big or small mistake, whatever may be the mistake, duracharaha, recognized his mistake and he has surrendered to God. Bhagavan, now I am ready for your order. That surrender is there. Bhagavan says that previous saha you have to supply here. Saha samyak vyavasitaha, the one who has rightly resolved now, taken right decision, correct decision now. Saha kshipram dharmatma bhavati. Adi connection. Previous verse landi connection pannikanum. Saha samyak vyavasitaha, he became sadhu. I consider him as sadhu. Dharmatma bhavati, he became a noble soul. How long it will take time, Anna? No time, within no time. Kshipram, within no time or soon he becomes a noble soul. Soul enna soul here? Antahkaranam. Atma means antahkaranam. Righteous person. He becomes totally pure. Those unhealthy thoughts all are replaced by healthy thoughts. Unrighteous actions, unrighteous thoughts all are replaced by righteous actions, righteous words, righteous thoughts, healthy thoughts. No evil tendencies, all are righteous thoughts. He gets over all his weaknesses. He stops drinking, he stops smoking, he stops cheating others, he stops corruption, and whatever he has earned through corruption, he gives everything to hundi. Bhagavan hundi lo pottuduva. And he starts all these actions, good service activities he starts. All this he does. So dharmatma bhavati. Then what? And certainly shashvachantim nigacchati. Spiritually he will not fall and he is spiritually uplifted. Immediately, soon, Nigacchati means nischayena gacchati. Definitely, certainly, gacchati means attains, prapnoti. He comes to me anna, don't think in a negative way. Amma comes to me anna, he will pass his away. Appadille. Comes to me means he goes to a Shrotriya Brahmanishta Guru and attend the Bhagavad Gita class, study Bhagavad Gita thoroughly and get what? Self-knowledge. That's the meaning. Shashvat Chanti means everlasting peace. Mokshaha, Jnani Bhakti Ityartha. He becomes a Jignasu. So Sakama, Durachara to Sakama, Sakama to Nishkama, Nishkama to Jnani, Jignasu to, he'll become Jnani later. Illa padi. Hey Kaunteya, O Arjuna, there is a change in his life. Shashvata Sukham he attains. Where is Shashvata Sukham? Only in one place. One place in here. The moment you recognize your real nature, there is an eternal peace, happiness, security. என்னென்ன சொல்லுங்க சுவாமினி, என்னோட பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட் தான் எனக்கு செக்யூரிட்டி, என்னோட குட்டி குழந்தை தான் எல்லாருமே கிவ்ஸ் ஹாப்பினஸ். என்னமோ பிரம்மன் சொல்லுன்னு இருக்கே நீங்க, அந்த பகவான் இந்த பகவான். People have no trust in Bhagavan's words. Trust ille. Mokshaha, he attains permanent peace. Hey Arjuna, me bhaktaha na pranashyati. My devotees never perish. My devotees never perish. My devotees are Krishna devotees. Not Shiva devotees. Here my devotees means the one who recognize that Paramatma is all pervading in every form. They are called real devotees. My devotees who recognize me, my presence everywhere, those bhaktas will never perish. They don't have any spiritual downfall. Even there are some materialistic failures, upheavals, up and downs in materialistic life. Sampado naiva sampadaha, vipado naiva vipadaha. Prosperity, materialistic prosperity is not a prosperity. Materialistic adversity is not a adversity. Vipado naiva vipadaha. Sampad means prosperity. Sampado naiva sampadaha, vipado naiva vipadaha. Sampad samsmaranam vishnoho, vipad vismaranam vishnoho. Anna vivi vanda nalla irukum. Vipad vismaranam vishnoho, sampad samsmaranam harehe. What is real prosperity? What is real adversity? Anna, materialistic prosperity is not prosperity. Materialistic adversity, failure is not failure. Forgetting that Lord, Vishnoho, Vismaranam, forgetting the Lord is called Vipada. Vipad, Vismaranam, Vismaranam, forgetting. Vipada, adversity. Of whom? Vishnoho. Vishnu marakrade, adversity da. Sampad samsmaranam harehe. What is prosperity? Remembering that Harena, Paramatma, the Lord, is called prosperity. Therefore, na vinashyati. He will never bother even financial failure, any life lo edavadhu problem vandha, he will brush us away that. Because he gives more importance to spiritual life. Inner maturity. He gives always value to that alone. For example, when we are climbing up hills, no, mountain. When you are climbing, you climb, go up, vehicle goes up. Then you have to go to another hill. You can't go straight away. You have to go down. Isn't it? Then you go to second hill. Again you go down. Have you gone hill station anywhere? Why you are going down? You go down, again you go to up. By like that you go really going down or up. Every time from hill to hill, when you are going to the height of the mountain, you have to go down and you have to go up. அது மாதிரி நம்ம லைஃப்ல கூட அப் டவுன் அப் டவுன், இந்த அப் அண்ட் டவுன்ஸ் இருந்தாதான் யூ ரியல்லி கெட் ஸ்பிரிச்சுவாலிட்டி. என்ன சுவாமி அந்த ஸ்பிரிச்சுவாலிட்டி எனக்கு வேண்டாம். அப்படி என்ன திருப்பதி பாலாஜி கிட்ட எப்படி போக முடியும்? 7 ஹில்ஸ் போறோமா இல்லையா? 7 ஹில்ஸ் போகலன்னா 7 ஹில்ஸ் அப்படியே போறேன். எப்படி போறேன்? 1 ஹில் ஏறி இறங்கணும், ஏறி இறங்கணும் அப்படி. அது மாதிரி எவ்ரி ஃபெயில்யூர் இஸ் வாட்? நெக்ஸ்ட் அப் ஹில். இதுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும், லட்டுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கும் சுவாமி நமக்கு. இது ஞாபகம் இருந்தா ரொம்ப நல்லது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட். தட்ஸ் லார்ட் கிருஷ்ணா ஆஸ்கிங் அர்ஜுனா, பிரதிஜானிஹி, டிக்ளேர் திஸ் டு ஆல் பீப்புள் அர்ஜுனா. டிக்ளேர் பண்ணணும். நீங்க கேட்டுட்டு புஸ்தகம் மூடிட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் சாட்டர்டே ஓபன் பண்ணக்கூடாது, அப்படி இல்லை. வாட் எவர் யூ ஆர் ரிசீவிங் ஹியர், டெல் டு மெனி பீப்புள் திஸ் வாட் எவர் யூ ஆர் லிசனிங். இப்படி போய் லெக்சர் எல்லாம் கொடுக்க வேண்டாம். ஜஸ்ட் டு இன்க்ரீஸ் த பக்தி இன் தெம், the devotion in them. Help those people who are all having devotion towards Lord. Encourage them. நம்மிண்டே இரு பகவான், he will help you, will help you ன்னு சொல்லிண்டே இரு. நான் சொல்லல, பகவான் சொல்றார் பாருங்க. பிரதிஜானிஹி, may you declare this to all people. That's why Mahatmas, Sadhus, Swamijis, Swaminis என்ன பண்றானா, they always do this declaration only. Declare this, because if you declare this, one day or other they come to me, they come to know me. You need not declare outside, you declare in your family first. To declare in your family, you must be a devotee, true devotee. Next shloka. So this like a shock absorber madri. ஷாக் கரண்ட் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்ன போட்டுக்கிறேன்? க்ளவுஸ், அப்சார்பர், ஷாக் அப்சார்பர் போட்டுக்கிறேன். அது போட்டுட்டு டச் பண்ண ஒன்றும் ஆகாது. இட்ஸ் லைக் ஆர்மர். பக்தி இஸ் லைக் அன் ஆர்மர். இட் இஸ் லைக் எ ஷாக் அப்சார்பர். பக்தி இருந்தால் என்ன நடந்தாலும் கூட ஓகே, திஸ் ஆர் ஆல் வெரி நேச்சுரல், காமன் இந்த லைஃப். அது மாதிரி he never feel any upset. Next shloka 32. Mam hi parthavyapashritya epi syuh papayonayah स्त्रियो वैश्यस्तथा शूद्राः तेऽपि यान्ति परां गतिम्. Now different bhaktas have different types of disadvantages. Hey Arjuna, he becomes a great devotee of me. On what terms I am able to tell that he is able to come to me soon? He is able to recognize me soon. How am I able to say that? Because I am there to take care of him in spite of all disadvantages, obstacles he is facing. If Bhagavan's grace, that which is showering, if I open the door, it showers upon me. All the disadvantages, whatever I have at physical level, at mental level, at intellectual level, at financial level, this is called handicapped in ardham. Yedo or level lo handicapped, some type of disadvantages. All those disadvantages can be filled up by me so that they will come to me. And the disadvantage illa only. Appadi illamale pannuven naan. Therefore they are able to come soon. So you need not feel. Nobody is totally pure by birth. Nobody is totally pure by birth. Because of Purva Janma Vasana, because of some surroundings, there is a possibility of going wrong or something, some mistakes or anything happen. Because of so many reasons, a person can recover from that. He need not feel guilty throughout the life. And the guilty தேவை இல்லைன்னு சொல்றார் பகவான். But in the guilty feeling வந்து நான் ரொம்ப பாபம் பண்ணிட்டேன் இது சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பா நிறைய பேர். என்ன பாபம் பண்ணிட்டானோ என்னமோ இந்த மாதிரி கஷ்டம் எல்லாம் வருதுன்னு. So the feeling guilty is one type of human weakness. And அப்படியே they feel so weaker and they are not able to move forward in their life. And the guilt வந்து அப்படி it weakens the person. Bhagavan want to remove that guilt feeling from the mind of the devotees. I don't have this, they need not feel. Even though they are having this type of disadvantages, Bhagavan says, I am born as a woman, if I would have born like a male, I would have achieved. The people think like this, If I am a rich person, fine. I am a very intelligent, fine. Whatever I have, let me be happy with that. Bhagavan will take care of. This is கொஞ்சம் மெச்சூரிட்டி வேணும் நமக்கு. என்ன சொல்றார் பகவான் பாருங்க. 4 types of disadvantages people Bhagavan is presenting. Hey Partha, O Arjuna, who are they? 4 types of people who has got obstacles or disadvantage. Striyaha, Vaishyaha, Shudraha, Papayonayaha. 4 types of people. First we'll see Papayonayaha. First type of disadvantaged birth. Some people born in a Nastika family where there is no religious life. This is a very, very controversial sloka, especially second line. Romba controversial line. So we have to carefully understand. Some people born in a Astika family, a religious family, good atmosphere. Parents are religious. Parents provide the spiritual atmosphere to the children. That is Punya Yoni. They are born with a golden spoon. But some parents are not religious. They don't have spiritual background. Not only Astikas, they are Nastikas. They never believe in God. If suppose a person born to such parents, it is the biggest disadvantage to a child. Spiritual life is an uphill task to that child. Who is the best example? Prahlada. Hiranyakashipu, what type of father? Prahlada is born in a most disadvantageous family. Even Vibhishana. So, that disadvantageous family, he was born, Prahlada, but protected by Bhagavan. This is called Papa Yoni, Papa Yonayaha anartham. So no religion, no belief in God, and no any Vedic practices at all, and no spiritual வாசனே பக்கம் வராது அந்த பக்கம். காவோ பீவோ மசா கரோதா எல்லாமே. இந்த குழந்தைக்கு எங்கேயோ பூர்வ ஜென்ம வாசனை இருந்து வந்தா வரட்டும், இல்லைன்னா அவ்வளோதான். So very very rare. That is a disadvantage. Papa yonayaha, first one. First spiritual disadvantage. Number 2, striyaha. Striyaha means woman. Here we should not take Papa yonayaha, striyaha, Papa yonayaha, Shudraha, Papa yonayaha, Vaishyaha. அப்படி எடுக்கக்கூடாது. Some people translate like that. That is a wrong translation. Okay. Striyaha is a separate disadvantage. Born as a woman. அது எப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்? Here we are not talking about the physical male or female. Physical body, about that we are not talking. என்ன spiritual gnanam or spiritual life and moksha gnanam, we are talking to gross body or subtle body? Subtle body. So we are not talking about the female body is having a disadvantage and cholala. Female is one who is emotionally, they are very 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 emotional, not strong in their mind. Here Stri means not physically born as a woman. Any person, even though he is a male, if he is emotionally weak, he is called as a woman. நான் சொல்லல, வேதம்ல சொல்லிருக்கேன், அப்புறம் சொல்றேன். Who are emotional are represented by Striyaha. Because women are emotionally attached to their children. Biologically, Bhagavan kept that emotional relation with the children. ஏன்னா அந்த emotional relation இல்லைன்னா she cannot bring up the children. அது பயாலஜிக்கலாக வச்சிருக்கார் பகவான். It is good also. Emotions are good, healthy by themselves. Emotions are not wrong. But emotion is that, somebody should love me. Somebody should come and say, I love you and சொல்லணும் நமக்கு. இல்லைன்னா நாமாவது போய் சொல்லணும், I love you and சொல்லணும். This type of mentally dependence in matter. So I am always weak. Dependence nature, leaning nature. And Striyaha means those who love their own personal God. They cannot give up the personal God. அநேக ரூப பக்திக்கு வரவே மாட்டான். என்னுடைய கிருஷ்ணாதா, என்னுடைய குருவாயூரப்பாதா. அதுதான் இந்த கிருஷ்ணர் ராதா கல்யாணம் எல்லாம் பண்ணவங்க என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க தெரியுமா? பகவான் alone is Purusha. Bhagavan alone is Purusha. All bhaktas are gopikas, radhas. That's why they celebrate Radha Kalyanam every year. So we are all Striyaha. Bhagavan only Purusha. We are all under the control of Purusha. Even male. Gents also look at themselves as Gopika, Radha. And Bhagavan only Purusha. They never accept themselves as Purusha. Enna Bhagavan only the Purusha. All are Striyaha. Enna emotionally weak. Emotionally weak. அவங்களுக்கு பர்சனல் கார்டு தான், அது தாண்டி வரவே மாட்டான். ஸோ இமோஷனல் வீக் பீப்புள் கேன் நெவர் ரிசீவ் தட். அவங்கள ரேஷனல் திங்கிங் வில் நெவர் ஒர்க். நோ ரேஷனல் திங்கிங், ரேஷனல் ரீசனிங் அண்ட் ஆல் இட் ஓன்ட் ஒர்க். இந்த பர்சனல் கார்டு பர்சனல் கார்டு பர்சனல் கார்டுன்னு போயிட்டு இருப்பான் இல்லையோ, அவங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே அப்படியே அழுந்துட்டே இருக்கணும், அவ்வளோதான். எப்பவுமே வெட்டு பார்த்து தான். நோ திங்கிங். Where people are emotional, their thinking capacity is very, very less. This is logically proved. Why? Mind, that's emotional faculty, covers the thinking faculty. Manomaya kosha overpowers the Vijnanamaya kosha. Jnana yogathikku vanda Vijnanamaya kosham na alert irukkanum. So Manomaya kosha, that's why emotional people cannot enjoy the Vedanta classes. Emotional, they are called Striyaha here. Means guna wise we are talking. Here all guna wise only. Okay, not physical body wise or birth wise. Jati wise we are not talking. Stri jati patti nama pesala. Stri gunam annartham emotionally weak annartham. That personality we are talking. Buddhi is not. Buddhi is hostage of mind, emotions. It is bound. That's why they can never take right decisions. You see, always emotionally weak people, they cannot take right decisions. What Upanishad Veda tells, Ta ume pumsaha ahuhu striya sati. Veda says, if a woman comes to Vedanta, spiritual life, and she is bold enough and to come over the emotions and all, she is able to think and she is able to receive the Vedantic teaching, she is as good as male. Pumsaha. Ta ume pumsaha iti ahuhuna. She is no more a emotionally predominant woman. She is a bold like a male. Male and not by birth. So don't take by birth. Striyaha is one. Even male person is always depending on others, so weak-minded. That person is as good as female. This woman is as good as male. Okay, don't be angry with me. Bhagavan tells, even woman. Vaishyaha, third one, Rajoguna Arthakama Pradhanaha. Rajoguna means here these people convert the religion to make money. Rajogunam, Vaishya Jati Patti Peshala, Vaishya Gunam. Everything how to convert into money. Everything. They want to convert into money. They want to see it in gold coins or rupee notes. Ellame. Enge ponalum, edi ponalum, business the paathindu iruppan. And the type. Vaishyaha means Rajoguna Ardhakama Pradhanaha. They are called Vaishyaha. Third category. Then fourth category, Shudraha. Guna Vaishyaha, Guna Sudraha. Guna Shudraha means not by birth again, we have to see, but in terms of character. Vishadi Dirghi Sutri cha. They say, the one who is Tamoguna predominant, eppame dulla iruppan. Lazy, always thinking about the past. What? Worries. Worrying about the past. They are called Shudraha. Ada Vishadi Dirgha Sutri Jana. Romba eppudo nadanda Vishadam patti yosichunde iruppan. 30 years back, 40 years back. இப்போ என்னடா அதை பற்றி நினைச்சுட்டு இருப்பான். எதுக்குன்னா come on telling same thing they say repeatedly. சொன்னதே சொல்லிட்டு இருப்பான் 10 வார்டு. I think I have told you already. சொல்லுவா அது வேறு. I think I have informed you, I have told you. அது தெரியும் இல்லையோ, எதுக்கு சொல்லணும் திருப்பி? அது சொல்லி திருப்பி சொல்லுவான். Sometimes we have to remind. ஆமா நீங்க சொன்னாலே இதன்னு சொன்னா கூட ஸ்டாப் பண்ண மாட்டேன். அப்படி சொன்னாலும் ஸ்டாப் பண்ண மாட்டான். ஏன்னா அது நான் ஸ்டாப் பஸ் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் நான் ஸ்டாப். என்ன ஆல்ரெடி ப்ரீ ரெக்கார்டட். அது சொல்லி 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 பழகி எல்லாருக்கிட்ட அதே சொல்லிட்டு இருப்பான். யாருன்னா சூத்ராஹ. புரியுறது? சூத்ரான்னு யாரு? நாட் பை பர்த் சூத்ரா. ஐயா நான் பிராமண பிறக்கலையே, ஹையஸ்ட் கேஸ்ட்ல பிறக்கலையே, எனக்கு மோட்சம் வருமா? இப்படி எல்லாம் நினைக்கக்கூடாது. Guna Brahmanan Ahanam. Even these 4 disadvantages irundalum kuda, I am ready to protect them. Manu soldar Bhagavan. Paranga. Te api, those people, yes, who are sinful by birth, or by emotional problems, or by guna wise, they are Vaishya mind or Shudra mind, Rajoguna, Tamoguna predominant, doesn't matter. Param gatim yanti. They attain the supreme goal. Certainly, yanti means they attain. Vyapashritya mam. By taking refuge in me. If they surrender to me, all these disadvantages will not come into the picture. They will not obstruct. There are no more obstacles. Patraga patratran patrinai patra viduvadarkana. Catch. For what? To leave. Catch to leave. So, anything, whatever you have got, no, everything only to leave. Surrender to Bhagavan. 33. Kim punar brahmana punyaha bhakta rajarshayasthatha anityamasukham lokam imam prapya bhajasvamam manmana bhava madbhaktah madhyaji mam namaskuru Mame vaishyasi yuktaivam Atmanam matparayanah. So, human effort is required. My effort means what? The devotee within me I have to invoke. Let Bhagavan will take care of everything. He will take care of. Avanendri voranavu asayadu. He will take care of. Idella sollakudadu. That is called fatalism. Not accepting our own free will. Not putting effort. Taking effort. Let me clear myself what I want in my life. Don't push everything upon Bhagavan. Our talamayil akshata podakudadu. Needane pannade. You are only created. You only created me like an angry person. You only created me all these, all bad thoughts you are only giving. Some people say this. Swamini ketta thought kuda avardane kudukararu. Avardane kudukara kuttu kudupar appuram. Bhagavan will not leave. This type of talking, no, more dangerous. They will never correct themselves. Nadakattum ennada nadakattum nadakattume and paata vere paadu. So Bhagavan says, even this type of disadvantages people themselves I am protecting. What to talk of Punyatma Brahmanaha? A person who is predominantly born with sattvic nature, avan pati sollanuma. When I am protecting this type of people itself, if anybody born with sattva guna, kim punaha brahmanaha punyaha, punaha kim means then what to talk of punyaha brahmanaha. The virtuous Brahmins, guna brahmanaha, sattvic, pure, noble in their thought, deeds and words. They are very good in their nature, spiritual oriented, contemplation, sattvic mind. Tatha bhaktaha rajarshayaha. Guna brahmanaha, rajarshayaha means guna kshatriyaha. strong, powerful, and selfless all the time. Imam anityam. Lord Krishna says, what to talk of this great noble people? Definitely they will get my abode. சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் அர்ஜுனா, therefore what? Imam anityam asukham lokam prapya mam bhajasva. You have born in such a loka, that is called Manushya Loka. You have taken Manushya Janma, which is Anityam Asukham. In the Ulahathila, what are there? All are impermanent. Anitya means Chanabhanguram, fleeting. Having come to, Prapya means Purushartha Sadhanam Durlabham Manushyatvam Labdha. Having come to this such a valuable human life, very rare human life, you got it. You have come to this world, but what type of world you have come? Temporary, anityam. Not only that, asukham, sukhame kadiyadu, joyless world. In this Manushya Shariram, there is no sukham at all. There are vyadhi, jara, ellame irukku. Therefore what? May you bhajasvama, may you worship me. Don't postpone. So how to worship me? I will tell you that also. அது கூட நானே சொல்லி வச்சுக்கிறேன். என்னோட எப்படி வர்ஷிப் பண்ணணும் நானே சொல்கிறேன். எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, எனக்கு எப்படி பூஜை பண்ணணும் தெரியுமா? நானே சொல்லி கொடுக்குறேன். பகவானே சொல்லிக்கிறார் பாவம். மன்மனா பவா. நம்பர் 1. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வில் டேக் மத்பராயணः. பரம் லக்ஷம் அயனம். மே யூ ஹேவ் me as your goal. Keep me as your goal. Number 1. Mat parayanaha. Parayana means ayanam, goal. Mat parayanaha means keep me as your goal. Bhagavan alone I want. Second stage, manmana. Constantly remember me as your goal. Manmana bhava. Seek God grace for the entire venture in your life. Seek God's grace. Intelligence is that, wise wisdom is that when you need help, take the help. Don't say, I don't want. Eppo help thevayo, you take the help. This is the intelligent way of seeking help when you require. Number 3, mat bhaktaha bhava. Mat bhaktaha bhava means may be my lover. Lover of so and so sollade, lover of me. Bhagavan, appreciate me, value me. Mat bhaktaha bhava. Appreciate the Bhagavan is my lover. I appreciate Bhagavan to keep him as my lover. Like Mirabai. Tyagaraja. Tyagaraja is lover of whom? Mirabai? Nammo? Varla. Patala. Vailunde varla. சொல்ல முடியல பார்த்தா அங்கே போச்சு. Bhaktaha bhava. Okay, don't worry. Okay, you are all keeping secretly. Okay. Madhyaji bhava. You should worship me. You should work for moksha. Madhyaji ante karma lakshana bhakti, upasana lakshana bhakti, jnana lakshana bhakti. All types of yajnas, these are all called yajnas. Karma yoga, upasana yoga, jnana yoga. Madhyaji. Yaji anna yajanam. Yajanam anna yajnam. Yajnam means worship. Worship means what here? Moksha is my goal. For that, what I take? Jnana yoga. For jnana yoga, I take upasana yoga. For upasana yoga, I take karma yoga. So all these three put together, yajnam. And then next one, Mam Namaskuru, fifth one. Mam Namaskuru. You salute me, you do namaskara to me. You do namaskara to me. Then Bhagavan ippadi kekறாரு, நமஸ்காரம் பண்ண சொல்றாரு. Okay, namaskaram kritva what? Yuktva, fixing the mind, evam. Yuktva means fixing the mind, chitta samadhanam kritva. Having, fixing your mind upon me in this manner. Evam means in this manner, as said above. What will happen? Mam eva, mam atmanam eva eshyasi. Eshyasi means agamishyasi. You will reach, become one with me. Atmanam means aham hi sarvesham bhaktanam atma paragatihi. Atma means what? You recognize me in yourself as Atma. The Atmanam. Not only in your Atma, you are Atma, in everyone, Atma Swarupam. Because that Atma is all pervading. Bhagavan is pervading in the form of Atma in everything. Mam Eshyasi. You can put in three ways this one. Mam eva eshyasi. You attain me alone. Mam eshyasi eva. You will attain definitely. Eshyasi eva. You will attain definitely. Eshyasi mam eva. You attain me alone. Attain me anna Krishna, Shiva, Rama. Atma. Atma, Rama, Ananda, Ramana. So Krishna, I am Chaitanyam, who is non-different from that Krishna. Discovering the Krishna in me in the form of Chaitanya Atma. That is called Mam Eshyasi. Discovering the Lord Krishna as Atma Swarupam, as oneself. Om Tat Sat. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Raja Vidya Raja Guhya Yogo Nama Navamodhyayaha. Thus ends the 9th chapter titled Raja Vidya Raja Guhya Yoga. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.